so you go stand right there and I'm just going to play it for you. And then we're going to just talk a little bit about it. To encourage you to try to just have some fun on your own. So we're going to give you the basic information. So I'm going to say to the class, okay, so we are in F major. Okay, so that's the basic information. We're in F major, and we're starting with our 3 on Fa and our 3 on La. Once we do that, we're pretty much ready to play. There's no other fingering here because we're all set. That's just to reach down. So these 4 songs here, and when you come next week, we can look at these if you want to. I want you to kind of look at them at home and see if you have questions on them, because these, hopefully, they wrote them a little easier to encourage you guys to try to do stuff on your own. So this one's in F major. This one is in D minor. Now, does a cuckoo sound familiar to you? Because didn't we do that way back in junior music in a different key? Oh, it's a different cuckoo. I thought it was the same one. Now, the whole song on this one does this. To put here for you, same left-hand pattern throughout, just to remind you that it's the same thing. Because once you, and do you recognize this? They stole it right from
Paris Dance.
And Cricket's Wedding. Yes, yes, it's the same thing. And so now they're just letting you get more comfortable. So that's your song. So the ones that say let's play more repertoire are the ones that you guys are encouraged to work on your own. So here's Hopscotch. And Hopscotch, I'll play it for you, then I'm going to see if you can tell me what key it's in. A what? So when you sit down to play this, you're in your regular position, but look at the right, look at the left hand, long B. So do these look easier to you than Cricket's Wedding and a bird and a donkey? Because they're supposed to look a little bit easier to encourage you to try to play them is the idea.
Yeah.
That's the idea of these. So this one is A minor, and then now this is the last one. This is one of everybody's favorites. Yes, and here's the trick on this. You put your hands just like this. See how you line them up? So this one, La, Ti, Do, Re, you just stack up your fingers. So to remind you, I'm just going to put La, Ti, whole thing. And then you just kind of follow the road, up and up, down, down, up. And then these, you just need to read.
It's fun.
Yeah, this one people really like a lot. So what you can do, if you have time before you come next Saturday, you can not learn these or anything. You're going to have, this is going to take time, but you can pick one or two of them and look at them a little bit, just in case you might want to come in with questions. Like you might say to me, I'm fine here, but I got totally lost here. And then I could write in information for you if you need it. Because what we did today, so these are the songs that we'll be doing all summer. So the main ones, the main songs we'll be doing will be our Cricket's Wedding and our Bird and a Donkey. So those are the most important for you. If you don't get to these are extra. These are extra songs. I'm not so worried about that, but these are the two key ones, and then these are the fun extras. So the fun extras should just pick one or two of these, but concentrate on Cricket's Wedding and on Bird and a Donkey. So to remind you, I'm going to put a star by Bird and a Donkey and a star by Cricket's Wedding. And then, if you forget, oh yeah, why did she put a star? Because those are the main ones. The others are just extras. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, did you record all that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's great.